Hello, dear parents. Welcome to Learn English with Ivy. This channel helps children and beginners learn English through fun, simple stories with Ivy, a friendly little girl. What we teach: easy English sentences for daily routines, basic vocabulary for beginners, simple pronunciation practice, sing-along songs for better memory. Each lesson includes main lesson, easy sentences, song lesson practice with music, shorts quick review. Start here. Lesson 1. Easy English sentences for beginners. Lesson 1. Morning routine. Learn English daily. Lesson 1. Song morning routine song. Sing along with Ivy. Lesson 2. Easy English sentences for kids and beginners. Lesson 2. After breakfast. Lesson 2 song. After breakfast song. Sing along with Ivy. For best results, watch each video with your child. Repeat the sentences together. Play the song several times a week. Please like and subscribe to help us create more free English lessons for children and beginners. Thank you for being part of Ivy's learning journey.
Thanks for watching.